Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can create a scheduled cleaning, and there we have the Philips 3000 series. First step, we need to open the three-line button in the application, then go to the cleaning schedule, tap on the add, and now select your days, then select the starting hour. If you want to select the custom settings, just tap on the custom and select the room. Then select the cleaning mode. You can also switch the cleaning preferences, the advanced settings like a carpet boost or the room sequence. Then tap on the save and continue, and tap on the save cleaning session. And that's it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.